Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Bake That. My name is Kate, and today I'm going to show you how to make an apple crumb cake. This is a delicious crumb cake that you can have for breakfast or dessert. If you like this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. If you make this apple crumb cake, let me know in the comments section how you liked it. For a list of the supplies you will need, check the video description down below. Start by making the crumb topping by adding the flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, and melted butter in a mixing bowl. Mix this by hand until it reaches a crumbly consistency. Once the crumb topping is complete, set this aside. This will be sprinkled over the apple cake before it goes into the oven. To begin the apple loaf, cut any type of apples into small pieces. If desired, remove the apple's skin. Add the cut apples to a bowl and add the flour, sugar, salt, cinnamon, baking powder, and baking soda. Once all the ingredients are added to the bowl, mix for a few seconds before adding the milk. Pour the milk into the mixture and continue mixing until all ingredients are combined. Pour the cake mixture into a greased loaf pan. Finally, add the crumb topping and bake in a 350-degree preheated oven for 1 hour. No cooking times and temperatures can vary, so check it at 45 minutes and every 5 minutes after. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and select the bell to get notifications on future content.